everyone, and welcome back to Bella Daily English. I'm Bella, and I'm really happy to have you with us today. I hope you're feeling comfortable and relaxed wherever you're listening from. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. And if you're a regular listener, thank you so much for coming back. Your support truly means a lot to us. And as always, I'm not alone today. Mason is here with me. Hi, Mason. How are you today?
Hi, Bella. Hi, everyone. I'm doing well today, thank you. Feeling calm and relaxed.
That's good to hear. You look relaxed today.
Yes, I feel relaxed, but I wasn't feeling this good a few days ago.
Oh, really? What happened?
I wasn't feeling well, so I had to visit the doctor.
Ah, I see. And that actually brings us to today's topic. Today, we're going to talk about how to speak English at the doctor.
This is a very important topic.
Yes, it really is. Because when you're sick, tired, or in pain, speaking English becomes even harder. Many English learners feel nervous at the doctor's office. They worry they'll say the wrong thing. They worry they won't understand the doctor.
And health is not something you want to misunderstand.
Exactly. So today, we'll help you feel more confident, calm, and prepared when you visit a doctor in an English-speaking environment.
Let's start from the very beginning.
Okay, imagine this situation. You're not feeling well. Maybe you have a fever, maybe you have pain, so you decide to visit a doctor or a clinic. The first thing that usually happens is checking in.
Hello, how can I help you?
This is where many people feel nervous. You can simply say, I have an appointment. Or if you don't have an appointment, I'd like to see a doctor, please.
Very simple and polite.
You don't need long sentences. The receptionist may ask, what seems to be the problem?
This means, what's wrong?
You can answer with simple English. I don't feel well. I have a fever. I have a headache. I have stomach pain.
Short and clear answers are best.
Then you may be asked to wait.
Please have a seat. The doctor will see you soon.
You can say, thank you.
Now, let's move to the most important part.
Talking to the doctor. You enter the doctor's room. The doctor smiles and says,
Hello, what brings you in today?
this means, why are you here today? You can start by saying, I'm not feeling well. Then you explain your symptoms.
Symptoms are the problems you feel in your body.
For example, I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I feel dizzy. I feel very tired.
You can also talk about pain.
You can say, I have pain in my back. I have pain in my stomach. My knee hurts.
Very natural English.
The doctor may ask, how long have you been feeling this way?
This question is about time.
For 2 days. For 1 week. Since yesterday.
You don't need full sentences.
Simple answers are okay. The doctor may also ask, is the pain sharp or dull?
This can be confusing for learners.
Sharp means strong and sudden pain. Dull means slow and constant pain. It's a dull pain. It's a sharp pain.
Good to know.
The doctor might ask about other symptoms.
Do you have a fever? Are you feeling nauseous? Have you been vomiting?
These words can sound scary, but they're common. Yes, I do. No, I don't. A little. Not really.
Very useful answers.
Now, let's talk about something very important. What if you don't understand the doctor?
This happens to many people.
And that's okay. You can say, sorry, I don't understand. Could you please explain it again? Could you speak more slowly, please?
Doctors are used to this.
Never pretend to understand if you don't. Your health is important.
Exactly.
The doctor may explain the problem.
It looks like an infection. You may have the flu.
You can say, I see. Okay.
These show you are listening.
Then the doctor may talk about medicine.
I'm going to prescribe you some medication.
This means the doctor gives you medicine. Questions you can ask: how often should I take it? Before or after meals? Are there any side effects?
These are very good questions.
Don't be afraid to ask. The doctor may also give advice.
Get plenty of rest. Drink a lot of water. Avoid cold drinks.
Okay, I understand.
Simple and polite.
Sometimes the doctor will ask about allergies.
Are you allergic to any medication?
You can say, yes, I am allergic to penicillin, or no, I'm not allergic to anything.
Very important information.
Never lie about allergies. Now let's talk about follow-up questions.
The doctor might say, come back in 1 week.
You can ask, should I come back if I don't feel better?
Good question.
Before leaving, you can say, thank you, doctor.
Doctors appreciate politeness too.
Going to the doctor in English can feel scary. But remember, you don't need perfect English.
You need clear English.
Speak slowly, use simple sentences, ask questions.
And don't be embarrassed.
Everyone gets sick sometimes. Let's quickly review.
Explain how you feel.
Talk about pain and time.
Ask questions about medicine.
And ask the doctor to repeat if needed.
Your health comes first.
English is just a tool to help you. Smiling warmly. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video.
And subscribe to Bella Daily English for more real-life English lessons.
Now we want to hear from you.
Have you ever visited a doctor in English?
How did you feel?
Write your answer in English in the comments.
Warm closing. Thank you so much for listening today.
Take care of your health.
And keep learning English.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.